Welcome back. We have a special guest joining us this morning, Julie Kellogg, who is a psychic medium. Super excited to have her in studio this morning. She's going to be participating in the Parsons Historical Museum's fundraiser that's coming up, A Night at the Museum. You want to tell us a little bit more about that? First of all, thank you so much for coming in.
Well, thank you for having me. I appreciate it. I had a board member at the museum reach out and ask. They do fundraisers to help support all the things that they're doing at the museum. It's just wonderful things. And it's all run by volunteers and grants, and they usually hold a rummage sale. But so far, this is turning out to be a really good fundraiser for them.
Okay, so the night at the museum is actually, it's this coming Saturday, correct?
It is. It's from 6:30 to 8 at the Parsons Historical Museum. It'll be in the back room. And so there will be the option after the event for everyone to have a private tour through the museum as well.
Okay. And what specifically is going to be your role there?
Well, I will be doing readings, and if people don't know what that is, that's if a departed loved one comes through, I will give those messages. And sometimes messages can come from anyone on your spirit team, so it could be guides or angels, but everyone wants to talk to their loved ones who are gone. So that's what the focus will be, but in any event that I do, I teach. There's a lot of misconceptions about mediums in the spirit world, so I like to teach, tell some of my stories, and I always do a Q&A. So we try to keep the audiences small so that more people have the opportunity to ask questions.
And we actually toyed with the idea of maybe doing a reading in studio, but there's a few challenges when you're outside of a calm, quiet setting too.
Right, that's true. The more people, the more spirits can come through. So if you have, like this event is set for 50 people, but there will probably be somewhere between 60 and 70 once everything's done. And let's say each one of those people had 10 souls that wanted to talk to them. That becomes a lot that I need to weed through and sort out. And oftentimes souls, spirit, kind of works it out amongst themselves as to what's the most important to come through. It's not always what we think or what we hope, but it's always what we need.
Okay. All right, so do people need to register in advance for the event on Saturday?
Yes, the ticket sales are online, and it is, I don't know how to get that. Is it?
The Unexpected Medium is what it's called?
TheUnexpectedMedium.com.
There you go.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's
All
it.
right. Probably can just do a little search on Ticket Leap for Parsons Historical Museum and find it that way too. Yes.
Well, and they're also on Facebook, so it's listed on that, and so am I.
Okay.
So.
Yes, so check out their Facebook page and you can find a link to that. We're going to come back later in the show and talk a little more about your work as a psychic medium and maybe some of the interesting things that you've come across.
All right, that sounds great.
All right, we'll be right back.